Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upscale an image in Figma without losing quality. So as you can see, I have a working layout here and I would like to import an image here, and I've got this low resolution image. As you can see, the resolution is quite poor, so we just need to upscale this image and increase the resolution. So it's just a matter of a few clicks in Figma. So to do that, you go to here to the Figma menu, from there plugin, and as I already have searched for this plugin, so that's why it's been appearing under the recent menu. If you don't see it here, go to plugins, manage plugins, and from here search for AI upscaler. Click on that, and then you can adjust here the upscale size as you want. If you have a portrait, then make sure you click on this box, please enhance, that it's gonna give you a better result. Hit apply, and it may take a few seconds. As you can see, this image has been enhanced and resolution has been increased significantly. So friends, this is how you can upscale an image in Figma. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.